Thank you for your interest in the MahjCon I Love Mah tournament, benefiting the Alzheimer's Association. For those of you who have already donated, thank you so much for your kind contribution to this very worthy cause. And remember, there is no minimum donation required to take part in this event, every dollar counts. In this video, we will walk you through the complete tournament experience. The first step is to make a donation to the Alzheimer's Association via the special link below this video. This registers you for the event. You will then receive an email from Debbie Barnett. Debbie's email will contain an invitation to join a special tournament group on the I Love Mah platform. Please click the Accept Invitation button in the email. If you're new to the platform, you will also need to set your password. Once you've done this, you will officially be a tournament participant. To get to the tournament page, head to ilovemahj.com, click on the My Groups tab at the top of the page, then select MahjCon I Love Mah Alzheimer's Tournament. If you visit the page before tournament day, you will see a countdown to the event. Several days prior to the event, you will receive an additional email from Debbie which will include the rules of the tournament, a link to the tournament page on the I Love Mah website, a link for the Zoom call after the event, and any other relevant information. On the day of the tournament, Monday, June 19th, the countdown on the tournament page will reach 0 at 6 a.m. Eastern Time and the page will automatically refresh. You will then see everything you need for the event, including a set of countdown circles indicating the time remaining to complete the tournament, the Start Game button, which you will use to play in the tournament, a button to view the live leaderboard, and a summary of your game results. We'll cover each of these in more detail shortly. The tournament consists of 16 games, the equivalent of 4 rounds of Mah Jongg. You can play your games at your own pace, taking breaks when you need them. If we estimate that each game takes an average of 6 minutes, you'll need to allocate just over an hour and a half of your time to playing during the event. If you know you like to play a little slower than this, then just ensure that you have the appropriate time available to complete your 16 games before the event ends at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. It's later in the day now, and we see that there are 6 hours and 41 minutes remaining, and that this player has completed 5 games and currently has a total of 60 points. She clicks the Start Game button to begin her next game. The game interface is the same as any other game against bots on the I Love Mah platform, except that the game options are not adjustable. All participants will use the National Mahjong League 2023 card, an 8-second auto-ignore timer, and the Level 3 bots. Participants can still choose their preferred color theme and tile style. Towards the bottom right of the screen, you will see a timer. This indicates how much time is remaining for the tournament and which game you're currently playing. In this case, this player is about to start her 6th game. These 2 indicators will remain in that location throughout the game. Begin by clicking the Start Game button and play as usual. Please keep in mind that, in order to maintain the fairness of the tournament, you must play all games through to the end. Incomplete games will still count towards your final score and be subject to a penalty. At any point during the day, head over to the tournament page to check your results and the total points you've earned so far. You can also check the leaderboard by clicking the View Leaderboard button. This will show you the current top 5 players, the number of points they've earned, and how many games they've played. Participants are identified using their first name and last initial only. At 8 p.m. Eastern, the event will end and the tournament page will now show the link for the Zoom video call. This call will begin at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Winners will be announced and you will have the opportunity to interact with the tournament director and other players. So, in summary, these are the steps in the virtual tournament process. Step 1. Donation. Make a donation via the special link in notes below this video. Step 2. Invitation. You'll receive an invitation email from Debbie Barnett via I Love Mah. Step 3. Accept invitation. Click the Accept Invitation button in the email from Debbie. Step 4. Reminder email. A few days prior to the event, you will receive another email from Debbie, setting out the tournament rules and other useful information. Step 5. Tournament Day. On tournament day, you will navigate to the tournament group on I Love Mah. There are several ways to do this, using the link in Debbie's email, or heading to the My Groups tab on ilovemahj.com and selecting the MahjCon I Love Mah Alzheimer's Tournament. Step 6. Start of Tournament. The Start Game button will appear on the group page once the event begins. Step 7. Play. Play your 16 games during the tournament hours. Take breaks as needed. Step 8. Zoom. Join the Zoom call for prize awards and player interaction. The link will be available on the tournament group page on I Love Maj or in the email received from Debbie. As a community, let's come together to help end Alzheimer's. We look forward to seeing you at our longest day online tournament. Register now by making your donation through the link in the video notes below. Thank you.